Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you so much for the positive support. I had a little rant the other day on Facebook about someone that was negative on YouTube, saying they were bored with one of my videos I did a couple of years ago, and it just really struck a chord with me because I really pour my heart and soul into these videos. And you know what people said is, don't let one comment negate the thousands of positive comments that people make. And that is so true. I guess because I lost my mother 9 days ago, I'm a little bit more sensitive than I normally would be. Even though on a typical day when I haven't got anything like that going on, I still get my feelings hurt. But you have to have a thick skin when you put yourself out in the public, like through YouTube or whatever. And I'm in so many Facebook groups, and I kind of posted a comment about, why do people have to be so mean? And I still ask that question. You saw a video that I posted a while back. Why do people have to be so mean? And why wasn't everybody taught when they were little, if you don't have something nice to say, don't say anything at all? Maybe if you've never heard that, you should hear it for the first time from me and say to you, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Just move along. Just pass it by. You can thumb it down if you want to, but why do you have to say something negative? I can talk too much, I can talk not enough, I can be slow, I can be boring, I can be exciting. There's so many different ways that people take my videos, and they are what they are. It's my channel, and I kind of am who I am. But anyway, I'm sitting outside. I just cut my hair, and I wanted to just talk about a few things, a new tutorial. But the one I did 2 weeks ago was eye splashes, and this is literally a photocopy because the original painting has been shipped off to someone. I did this tutorial showing you how to paint this with no painting experience at all. And the deal was with that one that if you took the eye splashes tutorial, which always my tutorials are below my videos, you would get a free print. This is a little bit larger than the one that I've sent out to everybody, but I actually had a really great response to that tutorial. A lot of people did purchase it, and I was going to give away one print, but I decided to give one to everybody that purchased it. And so this is my sunflowers painting that I did 3 years ago. I've been an artist for 20 years, so I just don't do acrylic pouring only. I paint all kinds of things imaginable. You get a free print of the sunflower if you purchase the eye splashes tutorial. I'm also maybe going to start doing that more often when I post a new tutorial. It is $35. It's not free on YouTube because it might take me a couple of hours to do it, and it's full length, no editing, and I am showing you brush stroke by brush stroke and explaining every bit of the process. So it is a teaching video, and it's on a different platform besides YouTube. Because you're paying $35, I just want to, give you a thank you by offering a free print or something like that. Because of all the wonderful and positive, encouraging comments that I had from the video a couple of weeks ago about being nice, about the rant I had on Facebook about being nice, thousands of comments. I did a video about my mother passing away, probably a couple of thousand comments between YouTube and Facebook. I just want to say thank you again, and my heart is always to share what I know and to give back to you in some form or fashion. So besides the free videos on YouTube and very little money that I make on YouTube, believe me, YouTube creators, we don't all. There's only a few that really probably make decent money. The rest of us make pocket change. But I still want to say thank you for encouraging me and loving me and accepting me for the way I am, faults and everything. I want to give you something. Okay, so the option is you go to my Facebook group and hopefully you'll join there. The link is below the video. But if you're not on Facebook, then you can comment below the YouTube video and say, I'm not on Facebook. And you can comment there. But if you are, you must go on Facebook and go to my group and comment. Join the group and comment. And I want to send to 2 people, okay? And they will be random. I'll pick those 2 people out of all the comments on Facebook in my group or under the YouTube channel if you don't have a Facebook account. This is a 16-inch metallic print of the collaboration I did with Heather Mader. It is outstanding and it's beautiful. It's a 16-inch square print of our peacock that we did together. And then this was also another really kind of popular one. So this is a 12 by 15-inch print of Crazy Horse, which was a dirty pour, and then I made it into a horse so you can see his eye. But it's an embellished acrylic pour. That was another big popular one. So I wanted to give those away, 2 of those to 2 people that will just be chosen randomly. I'll just, pick however many comments there are. Say there's 100 comments and that's it. Then I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 100. It'll be a random number picked on the computer. I won't pick it physically. It'll generate a number. So I'm going to do that in honor of y'all being such loving, kind people, okay? Because the majority of everybody out there in YouTube land and in Facebook land are great people. And that's the kind of people I'm looking for to follow me on my YouTube journey. To be in my Facebook group is I love good, kind people that just want to be that kind of person to everybody else. I believe in passing along goodness and sweetness and sharing it with everybody. And I also just wanted to show you these beautiful wisteria plant that I talked about. I think I put a picture on Facebook. I said I had this huge wisteria plant. This is our new house that we've been in 6 or 7 months, and it's growing on this fence, and it's massive. And people said, well, it will take over your yard, it'll take over your water pipes and all kinds of stuff. So we have trimmed it back, and we heard that you have to really trim it pretty significantly. So I wanted to show you, I cut some off. And then I have this Watchamacallit is what I call it, from my mother, her apartment, when she passed. I brought it back home with me. It's a turquoise glass. I guess it's a vase, but it's probably about 16 to 18 inches tall, and it has a metal handle on it. And I filled it up with several gallons of water, and I've got some wisteria vines in it. And I wanted to show y'all because it's so pretty. So let me see if I can do this. It's hot and sunny outside, and there's shears that hang in the porch here. They're kind of older. We're getting ready to replace them. So it kind of gives us a little privacy at night, and I can pull them aside if I want to. But I wanted to show you this beautiful turquoise glass vase that was my mother's. I call it a whatchamacallit because it's big. It's, like I said, it's big. It's sitting on a table. It's cut. It's got different cuts in it that are diamond shaped, and so it almost looks like a gem. And when the sun comes through it, it's really beautiful, but the sun isn't that low yet. But here's the wisteria. I cut a few branches off and stuck them in the water. And these are little round clusters. I've never seen this style of wisteria before. Instead of long draped wisteria, which is what I typically have seen growing like wild and, you know, natural along the highways and in neighborhoods and all. I think this is more of an ornamental wisteria, but it's so beautiful. And I've always loved wisteria. I've got a painting that I did of wisteria, and somebody said this would make a beautiful painting. So that's my mother's pretty piece with my wisteria in it. So I just wanted to show you that. And I'll be back with you in a bit. Oh, and I wanted to share with you that somebody sent me Try Me Polka Dot 10 Little Monkeys. Poke the dots to count the monkeys. And I think it's because I was singing a song in one of my videos, and it reminded me of the roll over, roll over. And so somebody must have heard that in my video and sent me this book through Amazon, but I don't know who it came from. So it's a mystery gift, but it's cute. You pop the monkeys as you read the book. It goes through, it says, you know, the story, 10 little monkeys, and then 9 little monkeys. Of course, I gotta push them through here. Then I can pop them. But as you count them, you pop them with the kids you're reading to. It's a really cute little book. I'll have to read it to my granddaughters when I see them. But I want to say thank you to whoever sent this to me, because it didn't have who it was from on the package. So, again, thank you. I appreciate it. That's so sweet.